Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. Today we're learning English in my farm. If you like it, please subscribe and turn on the bell. I wake up early on the farm. I wake up early on the farm. I am mixing the soil. I am mixing the soil. I am digging the ground. I am digging the ground. I am taking seeds. I am taking seeds. I am holding the watering can. I am holding the watering can. I am watering the vegetable. I am watering the vegetable. I am planting new seeds. I am planting new seeds. I am pulling out weeds. I am pulling out weeds. I am picking vegetables. I am picking vegetables. I am holding fresh vegetables. I am holding fresh vegetables. I am planting tomatoes. I am planting tomatoes. I am breaking the soil. I am breaking the soil. I am smelling the flowers. I am smelling the flowers. I drive the tractor. I drive the tractor. I am mowing the lawn. I am mowing the lawn. I am feeding the chickens. I am feeding the chickens. I am washing the vegetables. I am washing the vegetables. I am collecting eggs. I am collecting eggs. I am feeding the cow. I am feeding the cow. I am feeding the pig. I am feeding the pig. Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. Today we're learning English in my farm. If you like it, please subscribe and turn on the bell.